Hi, Jordan Hanna here from MarineMax Palm Beach, and we're going to do a quick walkthrough of the 270 SDX Outboard from Sea Ray. Up in the bow you'll notice it's squared off, which really maximizes the amount of seating. Windlass anchor, effortless when you pull up at the sandbar. You got an elbow bracket mount there for the table. And then check out the trim level of this boat. Nice honeycomb stitching, great sound system by Rockford Fosgate. And there's an incredible amount of seating on this boat for 27 feet, which is one of the reasons why it's so popular. Up at the helm, you've got a nice flush mount Simrad unit. Port side, got your head, vacuum flush with sink. This boat comes with an infinity woven flooring that snap in. We've got it stowed away right now, but it looks real nice on the boat. You get outboard propulsion without sacrificing your swim platform, so they did a great job. You don't have to worry about what side you park on. And then one of the big advantages of getting the outboard is the incredible amount of storage you got on both sides. But that's just a sneak peek. I'd love to show you the boat in person and really go through everything. So whenever you get a chance, give us a call, 561-494-7267, and set up an appointment. Again, my name is Jordan, and I look forward to seeing you.